and my phone doesn't focus well. Well, anyway, here is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Galaxy Note 10. It's too much bright because of the light. Yeah, you cannot see it because of the light. But anyway, I'm gonna open this one. Wait, what's this? Here's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm gonna open it now. Aurora Black. I'm gonna open the seal first here. But it says Middle East and North African SIM card only, but it doesn't matter. You know why? I'm gonna show you something. Because I bought before a Samsung J7 Pro. This is it. It's a J7 Pro. But in saying Middle East and North African SIM card only, and I test my own SIM card in our home country, Philippines, and it's still working. No problem. Maybe they're just telling it something like this is 1100 before. Yeah. So we're gonna continue unboxing this one. And we're gonna open the seal. What is saying? I'm gonna pause for a while and I'm gonna check something. Open it now. Oh shit. It's broken now. It's broken now. Maybe we have to. Is it open? No. This is another one. Wait. There you go. I remove it already. Wow. So this must be the casing. I think so. So we have here this one. And the phone itself. What a beautiful phone. What a beautiful phone. Did I done it right? I hate to say this, but I hate the glare of the light. Too much smudge. Oh, there you go. You can minimize the light from the brightness. And we had a phone casing. What's inside of this one? The charger. It's fast charging. But anyways, I have my own Anker 25 watts charger. How many? Where's this one? A little bit focus maybe. Oh, there. 3 amperes. Nice. And slick. And I wanna say this has a free buds from Samsung. I got it together with this package. And we have a free headset here again. It's wired. It's a wired headset. 8 kg. It's an 8 kg. Other than that, there is more the cable. And another cable set. And that's it. That's it. I hope you like my simple unboxing of Note. And we're gonna open it. What's the power button? Maybe this one is a power button. It turns on. Galaxy Note 10. From Samsung. Fresh from the box, baby. Goodbye. Hope you like my simple review. Side completely sealed. Aurora Black.